Hello there. We've got a laptop screen from laptopscreens.com that we are going to replace my HP Omen 17W something other. Put that in the description and the name of the video. This is the first time I've done this, but pretty much got what I need down. I got a flat head. There is better prying tools. You want to be careful, make sure you don't crack your screen. Your screen cover. So I haven't done this yet. So I'm looking for a good place to do it. Again, they are better prying tools out there, but it's easy enough to do this safely. My screen is pretty messed up. Alright, screen cover is off. You're going to want to look for all 4 screws connecting. So here we go. From what I can see, the screws are right here, directly connected to the screen. This is not what you want. It's this one. And there's 4 corners. So be careful. It is electronic and you could really break something if you're not careful. Usually you want to keep a magnetic bowl so you can safely keep the screws somewhere else, because you're going to have to use the same screws. It's a pretty quick process. I've seen it done mere minutes. It's my first time. I'm not trying to rush, but I am on a hardwood table, so my screws are fine. Gotta be careful with everything. These screws are very, very tiny. Oh yeah, and make sure your laptop is off, just in case. Try to steer clear from having drinks next to you as well. Alright, now we remove this. And we've got a simple connection here. Let me carefully show you. There's the connection right there with the sticker on it. You want to be careful with taking that off too. There's usually some anti-static tweezers that help you take these out. I think we're okay today. I'm just going to peel off that sticker you saw. And we are going to disconnect carefully by pulling it straight forward. To be careful not to mess up the pins. You want to keep those pins nice and straight. And here we go. Laptop screen. I'm going to put this on the floor because it is garbage. Alright, and there we go. Our new screen right here. There's the pin connection. Now be careful in putting it together. It is a pretty simple process here, but it is a little backwards, I can see. I believe it is. Maybe. Let me make sure. Exactly. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. We got that. I'm going to try to put this wire that I kind of pulled back into place. Hopefully there's no damage there, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's nice and snug here. And we're going to put the screen, and we're going to put the screen back up. Try to keep the wire that's connected. Now here comes the fun part, rearranging everything. Be careful with your screws. Since this model is particularly small on the screw size. Size doesn't matter, I'm told. This is a 17-inch screen and I just dropped my first screw. And my screwdriver. We're going to try to do this with all 3 screws. Alright. Now I'm putting my first screw in, back into the hole. It's a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. Maybe laying the laptop flat like this will help. So there's no stress. Alright, there we go. Flat and easier. Got this baby with keyboard up. It is easier to use magnetic tools for this. Alright. Alright. We got a screen perfectly fit. I'm going to turn this sucker on just to show you it works. And there we go. Thank you very much for watching laptopscreens.com.